Hello, um, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are making our own rabbit feed. You can see we have different varieties of item put together to give us this feed. If you want to know the mixture, put down your comment below. We can teach you step by step on how to produce this feed. A very good balanced diet for rabbit, and you see where your rabbit will become giant. And because to have a good breed, good rabbitry farm, you also have to have a good feed combination, because the feed you feed your rabbit with matters a lot. So this is a half feed production. We have Koawake here, we have Dusa, Masara, and so on and so forth. Now, if you want to know the full material use and the ratio, drop down the comment, or you can WhatsApp us via WhatsApp number +234 8025257467. You can also contact our farm. And thank you.